In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a user and transfer their data in the Google Admin Console. If you need to reduce license costs while still preserving a former user's information, this is a practical workflow to know. In this process, you'll first archive the user account and then begin transferring that user's files to another account so the data remains accessible and organized. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the Google Admin Console with the appropriate administrator permissions. Start by opening the Directory section in the Google Admin Console and locating the user account you want to work with. Take a moment here to confirm that you've selected the correct user, especially if you're managing multiple similar accounts. Choosing the right account at the beginning helps prevent mistakes later in the process. Once you're on the target user's profile, click More Options. From that menu, select Archive User. Archiving the account is useful because it allows you to retain the user's data while helping save on licensing costs. This is often the right option when someone no longer needs active access, but their files and information still need to be preserved for the business. After the user has been archived, move to the Account section and then open Data Export. This is where you can begin the transfer process. The goal here is to move the archived user's files to another account in a secure and controlled way. As you go through this step, pay close attention to the transfer settings so you're working with the correct source account. Next, select the archived user's files that need to be transferred and then enter the recipient's email address. Make sure the destination account is correct before continuing, since this determines where the transferred files will go. It's a good idea to double check the address carefully to avoid sending important data to the wrong person or account. Finally, click Start Transfer to begin moving the data across accounts. Once the transfer is initiated, Google will handle the process in the background. Depending on the amount of data involved, this may take some time, so don't worry if it doesn't complete instantly.